If you're new to the Jacksonville area or thinking about making a move here, you've probably already figured out it's huge. So, how do you even know where to start your home search? In today's video, I'm going to tell you a little more about the 5 major counties that make up the Northeast Florida area and how to choose the best one for you. Check it out. Hi everyone, welcome back. Andrea Delancy here. I've been a realtor in Northeast Florida for 18 years and a resident here for over 30 years. I'm here to help you elevate your home and lifestyle. You can find tons of resources here on my YouTube channel. I post new videos every week about living in the Jacksonville area, and you can also check out my website at andreasellsjax.com to get my free relocation guide. And hey, while you're here, don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get right to today's topic. One of the things I hear most often from my clients who are new to the area or planning to move here is the size of the Jacksonville area can be overwhelming. And that in itself can make it hard to figure out where to even start when it comes to choosing the right area and neighborhood. If you're going to be working in Jacksonville or want to be within a reasonable distance to Jacksonville, let's say 45 minutes to an hour, there are 5 surrounding counties that make up our Northeast Florida area that you could consider. Deciding which one is right for you depends on a few things, like the kind of home and lifestyle that you're looking for, and of course, your budget. Let's talk about what to expect in each of those counties, and then you can decide which one might be the best fit for you. Duval County. The city of Jacksonville is in Duval County. At 875 square miles, Jacksonville is the largest city in the continental U.S. by landmass. The population of Duval County is just under 1 million people. So even just within the city limits, there is a lot of area to cover. We have quite a few smaller areas of town that have their own names, like Mandarin, Bay Meadows, Avondale. And then there's the south side, the north side, the west side, and Riverside. There are really too many to list, but as you're researching the area, you'll get to know them better. Naturally, living directly in Jacksonville and Duval County, you're going to have easy access to all the conveniences that come with it. Shopping malls and retail, restaurants, entertainment, the area museums, the beaches. So if you like to be closer to everything, living in Duval County may be a good fit for you. The downside is being in the metro area, you may have to deal with heavier traffic. And I'll be honest, the Duval County public school system isn't as highly rated as some of the other surrounding counties. I would just encourage you to do your own research on specific schools if that's a deciding factor for you. You can also check out this video for more information about area schools. Nassau County. Nassau County is just north of Jacksonville, about 15 to 20 minutes from the airport. 30 minutes from downtown Jacksonville and very close to the Florida-Georgia border. With a population of just 86,000 people, it's just a fraction of the size of Duval County. There's been a ton of growth in that area over the last few years, and it's growing in popularity because home prices are still lower in comparison to other areas, and because it's at the early stages of growth. It's also not far from Kings Bay Naval Base, so it's desirable to military families too. The Nassau County schools are also overall more highly rated than Duval County. Nassau County includes the smaller cities and townships like Yulee, Hilliard, Fernandina Beach, and Amelia Island. Hilliard and Yulee are to the west, and you'll find more rural properties and more moderate home prices. As you head east, it becomes a little more populated with planned unit developments, shopping and restaurants. And there are also several golf courses in the area, and it's popular for tennis as well. And as you get out to the island, of course, home prices do go up. Fernandina Beach has a quaint historic area with a small town feel, and both Fernandina Beach and Amelia Island have a high concentration of condos and vacation rentals as well. Baker County. Baker County is west of Jacksonville, and it's definitely the least populated, with just 27,000 residents, and includes cities like McClenny and Glen St. Mary's. If you're looking to be out in the country and want that quiet, rural feel, or maybe some acreage, this might be the place for you. Not a lot to offer as far as shopping, restaurants, and entertainment, but you're only about 45 minutes to an hour from all of that in Jacksonville. And as you would imagine, the prices in Baker County are among the more affordable in our area. I think we'll see some additional growth there in the future. Clay County. Clay County is southwest of Jacksonville, and it's another area that has seen some incredible growth in recent years. Towns like Orange Park, Fleming Island, Green Cove Springs, and Middleburg. These are all suburbs of Jacksonville that you may want to explore. You do tend to be able to get a little more bang for your buck when it comes to home prices. The Clay County school system is actually very well rated, so it's a great alternative to St. Johns County, which I'll talk about in a minute. But you'll also want to watch out for longer commute times if you will be working in Jacksonville. Blanding Boulevard is one of the main roads in and out of Clay County. And I'll be totally honest, the traffic is bad at just about all times of day. But the area is well established and has tons of options for shopping, dining, and entertainment. So a lot of people who live and work in Clay County don't find the need to go into Jacksonville, at least not that often. And then there's St. Johns County, which is just south of Jacksonville. It has by far been the most desirable area in Northeast Florida over the last several years, and it's the fastest growing county in all of Florida. With a population of about 255,000, it's growing by approximately 15,000 people each year. This includes the cities of St. John's, St. Augustine, and Ponte Vedra, which still keeps you within 45 minutes to an hour of downtown Jacksonville. It's also where you'll find the greatest concentration of new construction homes and communities in our area. But it's also an area that's experienced some of the highest increases in home prices over the last couple of years. If you're looking for the total package with the Florida lifestyle and a community with those resort style amenities like the pool, clubhouse, a gym, sports complexes, and planned activities, there are plenty of opportunities like that in northern St. Johns County. St. Johns County is also well known for having one of the highest rated public school systems in Florida. I will say, however, that with the rapid growth we've seen, I'm starting to hear about some frustrations with overcrowding in the St. Johns County schools. And they've done some rezoning here and there while they're planning new schools. So just something to be aware of as you're doing your own research. So there you have it, guys. Again, this was just a brief overview of the surrounding counties in Northeast Florida. So if you have more specific questions, please feel free to reach out to me anytime. I'd love to help you with your home search. Thanks for watching today. I'll see you next time.